It's Cassius, Tryptamine Astrology Readings. Today is Monday, August 1st, 2016, and it's pretty much the heart of the positive aspects that I described to you last week that we have before Mercury moves to 9 degrees Virgo. Mercury hits 9 degrees Virgo, squares Saturn, and opposes Neptune, which will be back to the more cold, depressed feelings. But right now, we have some really positive aspects in the air and a unique formula of both warmth and energy, the type of warmth that's not sporadic like Aries, but grounded, regal, wholesome like Leo. And today, the moon in Cancer finishing up in Cancer, making a sextile to Jupiter, which is pretty much fading by the time you'll see this video. But moon sextile Jupiter, moon trine Mars, which will be active in the later part of the day, and moon square Uranus. There's something really important about every moment that the moon enters a water sign in this time of Saturn square Neptune. Because Saturn square Neptune makes cold and inactive. It deadens this place of watery appreciation for life that we have in the air that we always need. Neptune is something in the air that we rely on to feel these deep, watery appreciation for life feelings. What makes you appreciate music, art, the fruits of life, emotions, all of that? It's pretty much water. Water is something that is essential for appreciation of life and emotional resolve, motivation. With Saturn square Neptune, Neptune is turned black, and we're missing something that we don't realize we depend on all the time to appreciate life in the air. So every moment that we have some potent water in the air, like the last time the moon was in Pisces, the moon in Cancer this last few days, it rejuvenates this watery appreciation for life that we're lacking with Saturn square Neptune right now. And I've noticed this more and more with every time that the moon goes into a water sign. So, but the central thing about today is definitely Venus trine Uranus. Venus just peaked trining Uranus yesterday and the day before. It's really still peaking today, and this is a socially warm, super rejuvenated thinking aspect that also makes us enjoy life. Enjoyment of life really has a lot to do with Uranus and Neptune, and Aquarius and Pisces, the two final planets and signs. Something about Uranus and Neptune, Aquarius and Pisces, they're like central deep nodes of mental thoughts and scientist type learning thoughts, Aquarius, and then these deep spiritual, musical, imaginative thoughts that come from Neptune in someone's soul or in the day. So we have two forms of major rejuvenation of content for life, appreciation for life, and happiness in the air. But at the same time, Mercury's at 3 degrees Virgo already, and it's soon going to get colder and colder until it's at 9 degrees squaring Saturn, and then 10, 11 degrees opposite Neptune. So you must enjoy this day to the very fullest. And in 2 days, the sun will be at 11 degrees Leo and will make a quincunx to Neptune and Pisces. And the sun is trine Saturn right now too, which I think it's kind of adding some warmth to the coldness of Saturn square Neptune. I think the Leo energy is really beaming through the sun powerfully because the sun is Leo too. So The sun in Leo is always a special time. It's the sun in its own sign. And that is definitely warming up Saturn square Neptune a bit too. It's a really good day in many ways. And yeah, we have the formula for both rejuvenated thinking, warmth, social activity, Venus trine Uranus, and the theme for watery appreciation for life, Moon in Cancer. At the end of the day, as the Moon trines Mars, it will be a particularly warm, watery thing. When warmth mixes with water, that's a really good thing. The quincunx between Leo and Pisces that we'll feel in the next 2 days, when the Sun quincunxes Neptune, will be a rejuvenating, warm thing too. Moon trine Mars is the same type of watery warmth that's really special for rejuvenating us from depression. So enjoy this to the very fullest, and remember that by August 6th, we will be fully in the depths of Mercury square Saturn, Mercury opposition Neptune, and you have to get your grounding right now, because then we're going to feel the depression again for sure, and we'll be okay. So much love, peace.